Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Spectrum Xumo Box not turning on, power, HDMI and display fix. Verify power by checking the front LED and plugging directly into the wall outlet. Ensure the HDMI cable is secure and the TV is set to the correct input source. Power cycle the device by unplugging it for 15 seconds or using the reset button for 20 seconds. Fix 1. Power troubleshooting. Plug the power adapter directly into the wall outlet rather than a surge protector or extension cord. And ensure the power adapter is firmly plugged into the Zumo box, not a USB port on the TV. Now look at the front of the device. A lit LED indicates the box is receiving power. Fix 2. HDMI and display fixes. HDMI connection. Unplug both ends of the HDMI cable, check for damage and firmly plug them back into the box and TV. Input source. Use your TV remote to cycle through the input or source channel until you match the exact HDMI port number used by the Zumo box. Standby wake up. The box may be trapped in standby mode. Press and release the home button on the Zumo remote once, then wait 15 seconds for the screen to wake up. Do not hold the button down. Fix 3. Advanced system resets. Power cycle. Unplug the power cable from the back of the Zumo box. Now wait 15 seconds before plugging it back in. If the box was running a firmware update, it may take up to 15 minutes of remaining black before displaying a picture. Hardware reset. Locate the small pinhole reset button on the bottom or back panel of the Zumo hardware. Insert a straight paper clip. Press and hold for 20 seconds, then release to force a complete factory reboot. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.